Loccessories exists to help women and girls with big, bold curls be unapologetic in their beauty. I'm K.Hill, and I make hair accessories and hair maintenance tools that speak to the needs of the natural hair community. Each handcrafted accessory is lovingly made by one passionate naturalista, me, who cares deeply about helping others feel confident about how they're showing up in the world. When a customer puts a piece in their hair and their face lights up, their shoulders roll back, and they stand taller, that is my greatest joy. I'm inspired by color combinations and textures and nature and skin tones. I also think about the functionality when I design a piece. And I think that's what makes Loccessories different from other brands. Not only am I thinking about style, I'm also thinking about what problem does it solve. So I guess you could say that my creations are more solutions-oriented in nature. For me, it's about more than a stylish hair accessory. What it's really about is confidence, culturally inspired confidence. It's my quest, and I hashtag can't stop, won't stop until every little curly-haired girl knows undeniably that her beauty matters, period. It starts with the mothers, the grandmas, and the aunties. It starts with the conversations surrounding our hair and the words we choose to speak. There's much work to do. Will you join me?